Hello and welcome to School Clash episode 7. I'm Kitty Cat.
And I'm Girl Sphinx.
And today we're doing slime.
Slime. Slimy, slimy, slime.
And pineapple. Pineapple slime?
No, not pineapple slime. Normal slime.
Okay. So we're going to... This School Clash is going to be a race to get a slime block. So, should it be the first to place it down near the house?
Yes.
Or something?
Yes.
Okay. So you have to be at the house to complete the challenge.
There you go. There, it stands. Jump to put it on top. Okay, so right, we're doing slime.
Wait.
Yeah, oh, good idea. Okay, we're doing slime blocks, just to clarify, because slime did exist in the past updates, but this update is slime blocks, which can be used to do bouncy things. You can bounce on
Sticky pistons, slime blocks,
slime.
leads.
No, that's slime, not slime blocks.
Oh yeah, slime blocks. Boy, basically.
No, you can use them to build things. You can make like sticky sad.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. Ready.
Steady.
Ready.
Go. Hey!
Go!
Oh yeah. Okay. We could bring the horses.
Where are you going? What are you doing? The horses. Oh, yeah, we could. I keep forgetting about them existing.
Actually, horse.
You do the horse if you want to do the horse.
No, because it won't be good where I'm going.
Where are you going? What are you doing?
I'm not sure if I want to tell you that.
So to make slime, what do we need? Like a slime block even. What do we need?
9 slime balls.
And what do we need for slime
Well,
balls?
it's either 9 or 4. We need to kill slime!
And so we've already gone on a search for slime, haven't we?
Yeah, for leads.
For leads.
Okay, you're in here anyways. Skelly!
Okay, you kill it. Okay. Bye.
I want the bones. Ah, no bones. Ah, another skelly! 2 skellies! Ow!
Ooh, cool.
Hey! So, last episode was the update that changed the world, I think.
Shut up and cover your shoulder.
And air blocks were added as an actual block then. So, what me and Avocado, one of the judges from last episode, if you didn't realise, were thinking about doing a skyblock map to kind of, I don't know, celebrate that. We weren't sure whether we wanted to do 1 block skyblock or the skyblock, which is just like a patch of grass with no regenerating blocks. But we were thinking of doing a skyblock challenge to kind of celebrate the update that changed the world. Without more. So, how did I just unlock... What? How?
What did you unlock?
It said new recipe unlocked items. But I wasn't even doing anything, just going in water. Actually, it was glow item frames, actually.
Oh, is there some glow thingy? Like
I didn't see any.
Did you get some? Look in your inventory. You did, you just fell on one accidentally. Well, not accidentally, but...
Wow! I'm not going to throw those away, even though I'm technically not supposed to have them. I'm just not going to use them.
Wait, are you down here as well?
Yes!
Feel the same way I did.
There's nothing down there.
Trying to trick me.
No. Otherwise, why would I be coming back up?
I don't know.
So maybe comment about whether you think we should do the Skyblock map and which type we should do. I think the part I'm looking forward to most about it is No Mum.
I'm stuck at the bottom. Oh wait, there. Went the wrong way. Maybe I just gotta find a swamp. Did we ever find a swamp anywhere?
No. Well, maybe we did. I don't know. I definitely did it when we were actually looking for slime. Mum, where did we find the slime before?
It was in this cave.
Yeah, I know, but like, which part of this cave?
If A, I knew that, I probably would have already gone there, and B, I wouldn't have told you. Why would I tell you that?
Okay, that's fair.
Hello? You know what I want?
What is this?
Oh, it sounds like?
But okay. Ah!
It's something about like there are just slime blocks depending on how it's set up. So if it's a natural place where slime generates, then it will be there every now and then.
What will be there?
The
Slime! But also lots of other mobs. Yeah! Somewhere not safe! I'm just spamming it. I'm so gonna die. I don't even know where I am. This is bad. No, no!
Oh.
No!
Wait. Could be wrong.
Wait, the music started.
Powers of observation are strong.
Anyway. I don't know how to say this. Well,
This is like the first time you died.
anybody who knows me will know I love pets in Minecraft, especially wolves. So, what's exciting to me is that the update has come out, and there are now different variants of wolves, and there are armadillos and wolf armor in the game now. So, I'm very excited about that.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
I thought you said you knew where it was.
Oh, hello. Is it this way? Maybe. Are you not putting any torches down?
Do you think I had time? Plus, I don't even have torches on me.
What? Why would you go caving and not have torches on you? Oh.
Slime! I have 2 slime. There were no more slimes down there, at least.
But it's a slime. Do you not understand that there will be slime that comes back here?
I do understand that. But that stands, there are no slime now.
Okay. Things.
I know.
Oh dear.
I'm kind of a bit sweating right I'm sweating a little bit right now, basically. Ow.
So we've changed it so our names are finally going to be right every time.
Yeah.
But that means that my player is new. So like it keeps saying, you unlocked a new recipe. I just unlocked iron.
Mum, it is very dangerous down there because it's so dark. I did get 2 slime balls though.
You do know that I actually brought torches with me, right? You should make some more torches. Do you have any wood?
Now I'm stealing some of yours.
Why don't steal my torches?
You literally put 2 right next to each other.
I was speed torching. That's what you do.
Not many things have been happening, even though quite a few have happened since the last episode. Like, well, let's start with the earlier ones. So me, Mum, Avocado, and his mum, we all went to Chessington World of Adventures, which is a theme park. Where is it?
Chessington is very close to London, so it's right outside London.
We stayed in the hotel for 1 day, so we were there for 2 days. Me and Avocado had bunk beds with Oreo packets on the pillows, which was
the only hotel room I've been in that had hot chocolate, which was I approved. I love hot chocolate.
Yeah. Mum likes hot chocolate a lot. My favourite ride was probably Mandrill Mayhem, which was a roller coaster that went upside down. Like, not in a loop, the loop, but like, it literally just spun around on the
really
tracks.
Good, 'cause it was really smooth.
Yeah, it was really smooth. Unlike 2 of the other roller coasters which we went on, which were quite bumpy. Maybe I should have a bow with me.
You don't have a bow on you either?
I didn't have any arrows! What?
I just think it's funny that I have like a really bad bow, but I have arrows, and you have like an amazing bow and no arrows.
And I've also started aerial silks.
I'm gonna talk more about Chessington.
I mean, there's not really much to say. It's a theme park.
I was just gonna say that we went to, like, the first day we went, it was like super windy, so like half the rides were closed. And then the second day we went, it was like, also the first day it was an inset day, so it was busy.
This looks like a good cave.
Other kids not in school. And then the second day everybody was at school and it was really quiet, and so we got tons of time.
Yeah, the second day was definitely much nicer. I mean, some rides we didn't even have to get in line again. We could just stay on them because there were so little people. Because there really were not that many people.
It was awesome.
Like, yeah. And we got freshly baked donuts too. Like, fresh. Which are the best type of donuts.
And it was nice going 2 days, because then we could just like relax and not worry too much about
going on all the rides in 1 day.
Yeah.
Could I steal?
Hey!
Could I steal from
I
you?
didn't realize, I thought you were still in the cave.
No!
Steal from me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess that's... What are you stealing?
1 flint.
Yeah, look, I unlocked oak planks.
Oh my gosh.
So yeah, aerial silks. Sorry, I interrupted you.
Yeah. It's like 2 silk cloths hanging from the ceiling. Do you like do lots of aerobatics on them and stuff? It's really fun. So I started aerial silks. So far I've done 2 lessons. But I'm hoping to do more. And Mum has been working pretty much every single day of the week.
I have not?
I know, but most days.
I've done...
Can I hit you with my sword?
No. I've worked
Uh,
about 2 days a week. Recently.
3 for 2 weeks.
I think there were... You did.
I had 14 torches in my chest.
You need to enchant my diamond sword.
Did you hear me?
You have 14 torches in your chest. Will you... Oh, that's... good? I'll just... grab another one, actually. Rather than putting them together and wasting levels, I'll just grab another one. Road. Road.
There's a bone here which has more things left than the one you currently have.
Okay. Bye. Oh, yes.
It was the 1-year anniversary.
Do you know there's a random cave here?
So, yes, I was gonna go into that cave.
I didn't know it was even here. I just found it.
I
I guess
was
you found
going
it first.
to get that cave and go into it. Let's go to it and
Maybe we should look. You know. Oh, yeah, sure. Go into this cave. I'll go somewhere else.
What?
Nothing.
I think I'll follow you instead.
You can't follow me. I'm invisible.
You are not. At Thirtover, it was the anniversary, and so we were having like a teddy. I think you're following me now or something.
I'm in front of you. How?
No, you're not.
How did you? How did you get in front of me? How did you get in front
Ooh,
of me?
lead.
What? Okay.
Oh, I see.
No, you don't. I'm invisible.
No, I don't know to see.
You can't see me.
So we were having a teddy bear
We're gonna go to the other cave.
picnic,
This is most likely to be slime in there.
and people were baking cakes.
Backwards. You might not want to do that, just in case.
People were baking cakes for the picnic, and I baked a
You should go
huge,
behind me and then
super chocolatey, super rich cake.
I know. So I have a picture of it. I can put the picture up.
Yeah,
So big.
which I brought in.
Whoops.
I am following you. Ow. Ow.
I don't know if there's slime down here. That's why you should have gone to the other cave. It's just as likely to have slime.
I think that I'm gonna go to...
Lava and water. Ooh, hello.
Yeah, it was huge. Can we just talk about the school clash now? Because I don't know how to say things.
You don't know how to say things. You started talking a while ago. Like, as in, I think you were like, one? Yeah.
Stop it.
I don't see any slime.
Mum, you really need to fix this staircase.
What staircase?
I mean,
Are you leaving? Are you going to the other cave?
At least
You
make
came
it
all
not
the way
so.
down here, now you're going to the other
At
cave.
least make it not so head
Don't
banging.
complain about the staircase. It's your fault you came down it. You didn't have to. What?
And made.
What about you made a spoon?
I carved a spoon
Yes.
out of a block of wood. A wooden spoon.
I wasn't there
Which
then.
will
when
be
that
on the
happened.
screen
I didn't
now.
want to. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture of that as well then. Okay.
It's a spoon.
No, it's not.
I don't know what to say
It's
about
not really
it.
a spoon.
Cow.
It's just your imagination.
I punched a cow.
That's a bit harsh.
With its body. I punched a cow with its body because I punched it with cooked beef.
That's disturbing. Oh, hello. Hello, friend. Hello, friend. I've got slime. Is there any more hiding anywhere else? Did they? Or was it like, I'm dying, I can't do anything? I don't know. I got 3 as well.
Enderman, 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 no slime, Enderman, Enderman, help!
Why did you look at the Enderman?
I don't know if I did or not. Help!
I can't do anything to help you. I don't know why you're saying help. I'm really far away from you right now. Oh, hello. Oh, to have a shield. I'm so looking forward to the next update when we can have a shield.
Me too!
You know what's really annoying? When you're trying to fight a skeleton and they keep
Knocking you back and they get from both sides and there's another mob and you're about to die and you're on half a heart. Ah!
Run away.
I'm trying
Run
to.
away. Oh, hello. Where'd you go?
Phew.
Seriously? I hate skeletons. Ah! No, 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 no.
Die, 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 die.
Go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, don't die, don't die, don't die.
Do die, do die, do die. It's okay if you die.
So it
I
looks
live.
like
I'm.
from a large slime block, you get generally three slimes for each one. Let's see. Oh, this cave. You definitely should have stayed here.
I'm coming to kill you.
Well, so is this slime. Wait. Oh, wrong way.
Yes.
Where's the way out? I see you. No! Hey! No! Not cool! Go away!
I'm cutting the way out. Wait. I can just break all the crafting table so you can't make the slime block.
You know I could make another crafting table.
I'll take all your wood.
It is to take my wood.
Yes, I can. I don't want you to live.
Why don't you try to find another slime? You might get there before me, somehow, magically.
I could kill you.
That's not how this works.
Yes! No.
God! This is a sidewalk!
No, you have to place it down.
Wait, you put... I was gonna say, we could jump on it.
I got a slime block. Yay!
I wanna jump on it. Because we can jump on it.
Stealing. I'm gonna break the house momentarily so that I can do this.
I'm taking dirt from your pile. No, so move so I can show people what it looks like. Move, move, move. Wait, thank you.
Bye, everybody.
Thanks for watching.